So if I have to talk about the overall training, I absolutely loved how all the teams came together, the way teams were divided. It was not that, anyone was in the same team or with the people they were familiar with. So loved that we got to, do the activities with people from cross verticals. This was one thing. Secondly, I absolutely loved the snake pato game which was there, simply because the coordination which was there, and when you see the players as an observer, I could see how the players were managing it, the coordination which was there. So absolutely loved it, and overall the training was fabulous. This was a very different training I have ever attended in a corporate training. Not a boring classroom session, but so interactive, full of fun activities. Everyone was at the top of their game, chasing and running around to win. So very unique, very differentiated and very refreshing training. So absolutely loved it.
So this training has been immensely and really grateful from Mr. Dipanshu Lohia, and it's very great to receive this training today, team building activity, and especially all the activities conducted and the games which we played actually helped this team to bond together on a very great another level. I especially like the snake pato game a lot, in which we focused on the calculative moves and the directions and the coordination between team members who were blindfolded, and of course the role of a captain is also duly appreciated in that. So thank you so much for this opportunity and for this great team building activity.
The training was very well taking. All the activities were very engaging. We didn't feel bored, or we were not very anywhere. We didn't feel like it was over or we were feeling tired. All of us were very enthusiastic. I think the best activity or the best fun we had why we also included sports, like we used football and balls also in the training room itself, and a little bit of fun happened there. Apart from that, overall the training the way the training was constructed, it was very good. Everybody was engaged. We were speaking to everyone. We were having fun also at the same time, and we also learned the importance of coordination, cooperation, working with each other, the basic principles of working within the team, how and where the pressure lies and how the pressure can be shifted as well. So the basics of the teamwork was integrated very well in the training. So thank you very much, and hopefully we'll have more sessions with you in future.
It was an amazing experience where we have understood a lot of things in a fun way. I have around 15 years of experience, and I have never attended a single training session without a single PPT, and this was one of them. And for me, the best one was the snake one, because it was a complete team game where everyone has to participate and only one person has to lead. So a lot of leadership things in just 100% gaming. That was amazing. We really loved it, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.